Tesla's second quarter earnings call just wrapped, and one topic that stole the spotlight yet again was Optimus, the company's humanoid robot project. Elon Musk confirmed several significant updates regarding the upcoming version 3 of the Tesla bot, and the excitement surrounding it was palpable. Among the most talked about changes was a complete design overhaul, a major shift from the version 2.5 currently known to the public. While aesthetics might not seem like a top priority for a functional robot, they do play a role after all. No one wants a personal assistant that resembles a dystopian machine, straight out of a science fiction horror movie. Musk also revealed that the new Optimus would come equipped with significantly more degrees of freedom, a critical factor in making humanoid robots move and behave more like real people. This directly impacts how naturally the robot can perform a wide range of tasks in both domestic and industrial environments. With these upgrades, Optimus version 3 is now expected to perform up to 3,000 distinct tasks, a sharp increase from previous capabilities, making it not only Tesla's most advanced robot, but potentially its most mass-produced product ever. Shortly before the earnings call, Tesla also opened its diner in California, and Optimus made a surprise appearance, serving popcorn to customers. It was a clever way to preview how the robot could fit into everyday settings. The lighthearted demonstration made many people wonder if they, too, could soon have their own Tesla bot performing household chores. This dream might not be far off. Optimus is projected to go on sale as early as next year, although early supplies will likely be limited. During the call, despite poor audio quality that made some of Musk's remarks difficult to catch, he wasted no time diving into the topic of Optimus. Musk declared that the bot's design is evolving into something remarkable. According to him, Optimus 2.5 is about to be succeeded by what he considers an exquisite design with version 3. And once again, he reiterated his belief that it will be Tesla's most significant product of all time. In the past, Musk has hinted on that Optimus 3 would possess agility comparable to that of a nimble human. During the earnings call, he emphasized that the design was built entirely from the ground up, adhering strictly to fundamental physics principles. This isn't just a facelift. Leaks suggest the upcoming version will incorporate a facial display, capable of providing users with information in real time, acting as an interactive screen. It will also reportedly include voice support through Grok, enhancing the communication between humans and the robot. In addition, Tesla aims to lighten Optimus 3's body to boost walking speed, a performance metric that still falls short of the 5 miles per hour target. How exactly the engineers will achieve this is still unknown, but strategies may include using lighter materials or re-engineering the joint and skeletal framework. Nevertheless, Musk assured listeners that the version 3 design has no major flaws and requires only minor refinements before full-scale production begins. According to him, prototype units of Optimus 3 should be ready within a few months, and full production is anticipated in early 2026. If Tesla follows its typical pattern, the official unveiling of Optimus 3 may happen during the annual shareholder meeting in November. This would line up neatly with the 2-year mark since Gen 2 debuted in 2023. Rumors even suggest Optimus may join Musk on stage at the event, perhaps performing a few stunts like dancing or microphone handoffs. What's more important, though, is that this redesign directly enables a massive leap in capability. The addition of more degrees of freedom, meaning more ways the robot can bend, twist, and rotate, makes Optimus 3 far more capable and adaptable to real-world tasks. When an investor asked what specific factory tasks the current versions of Optimus were performing, and what the timeline looked like for ramping up sales, Musk confidently replied that the Optimus 3 design is the breakthrough they've been waiting for. He repeated that it includes all the necessary motion ranges and capabilities and promised that prototypes would be ready within about 3 months, with scaled production to follow in early 2026. Understand just how significant this is. It's important to note that degrees of freedom are essentially the number of independent ways a robot can move. For instance, a human arm can rotate at the shoulder, bend at the elbow, and twist at the wrist. Each of those is a degree of freedom. The more degrees of freedom, the more human-like and useful the robot becomes. Tesla's focus now is on optimizing every joint, motor, and sensor to increase the robot's dexterity. While version 2.5 could manage roughly 1,500 simple tasks, the improved design of version 3 could double that figure. Musk gave an example. While the older bot might be able to carefully hold an egg without cracking it, the new version could go for the egg, cook it, and serve it. This level of nuance requires advanced movement precision, the kind made possible by integrating more motion pathways. Still, despite the optimistic outlook, Musk acknowledged just how complex the project really is. Unlike cars or phones, you can't just order parts from suppliers. According to him, nothing suitable exists off the shelf, which means Tesla has to custom design everything from motors and sensors to electronics and gearboxes, based entirely on first principles. That includes training Optimus to use its body using neural networks, much like how Tesla trains its self-driving cars. Musk reiterated a point he's made in the past, that both Tesla's vehicles and Optimus are essentially robots just in different shapes. The same real-world AI, driving Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology is now being applied to the humanoid robot. He proudly claimed that Tesla leads the world in real-world AI, a statement backed by the company's extensive experience with autonomous navigation and sensor processing. Optimus will use this intelligence to learn how to move, adapt, and map its environment, helping it function smoothly in both homes and factories. In terms of scaling up production, Musk made an audacious forecast. By the year 2030, Tesla could be manufacturing up to 100,000 Optimus units each month. That's over 1 million robots a year. While that figure seems astonishing, he said he would be genuinely surprised if they don't meet that goal within 5 years. That said, Musk also made it clear that the early stages will be anything but smooth. The initial years of production will likely be slowed by supply chain issues, manufacturing bottlenecks, and engineering refinements. Tesla is no stranger to production challenges. Whether it was the original Model S or the more recent Cybertruck, Tesla projects often suffer from delays and hiccups. Musk admitted this much, stating that the company isn't always on time but it always gets the job done. He reaffirmed that Optimus could push Tesla to become the most valuable company in the world, assuming the company executes its roadmap effectively. Even though Musk has previously floated a $20,000 price tag for Optimus, version 3 might end up being more expensive. A realistic estimate places the robot closer to $50,000. Given its capabilities and the complexity of its components, that may seem steep, but it could still be a solid investment. In the US, a full-time worker earns roughly $35,000 annually. Optimus, on the other hand, requires only a 20-minute recharge for every 8 hours of work. In a domestic setting, the robot could replace many roles from a cleaner and pet caretaker to a tutor or babysitter. Over time, its ability to reduce labor costs could more than make up for the initial price. And for those wondering whether the $20,000 version is still in the cards, it's possible that this lower price point will apply to Gen 2 rather than the advanced Gen 3. Aside from Optimus, Musk also made several other major announcements during the earnings call. He reaffirmed Tesla's ongoing investment in robotaxi technology. Over the next couple of weeks, the ride-hailing service will expand within Austin's geofenced areas. Tesla is simultaneously working to secure regulatory approval in other regions including the Bay Area, Florida, Arizona, and Nevada. If everything goes according to plan, the robotaxi network could potentially cover half the US by the end of 2025. Musk believes that this system, when fully rolled out, will significantly boost Tesla's revenue. However, he also admitted that Tesla's recent downturn in earnings may continue for the short term until these new autonomous projects begin generating income. Another pressing topic discussed was the federal EV tax credit. The $7,500 incentive is set to expire on September 30th, adding urgency for buyers to act. Currently, the rear-wheel drive version of the Model Y is one of Tesla's most affordable offerings, starting at around $45,000. Its price competitiveness has helped it become a top-selling vehicle in countries like Switzerland, Austria, and Turkey. The Model Y's success illustrates Tesla's capability to dominate various markets, especially when affordability and utility intersect. In response to rising demand, Tesla has ramped up production of the Model Y this quarter. Moreover, the company is preparing to introduce a new budget-friendly EV model expected to launch in 2025. Initial production for this model has already started in early 2025, though it has faced delays due to tax credit uncertainties and the time required to refit Tesla's factories. As Tesla pushes forward with Optimus 3, the world stands at the edge of a robotics revolution. Whether in homes, factories, or hospitals, this next-gen robot could redefine human-robot collaboration and usher in a bold new era of